If your HubSpot meetings aren't sending invites, don't panic. It's usually something simple like calendar permissions or connection issues. Here's a quick fix you can do in under 2 minutes. First of all, check calendar integration. Go to your HubSpot settings, general calendar. Make sure your Google Calendar or Office 365 is connected and synced properly. If it's disconnected, reconnect it. Next, reauthorize access. Sometimes HubSpot loses access. In the calendar settings, click Manage Integration and reauthorize your account. This refreshes permissions HubSpot needs to send invites. Thirdly, verify meeting link settings. Go to your meeting tool settings. Under configuration, make sure the correct calendar is selected to create and send invites from. Lastly, check spam in junk folders. If invite emails are being sent but not received, they might land in the recipient's spam or promotions tab. Test it with your own email. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.